Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Keep your hands warm with this ice cream cozy. It has a handle as well as a spoon holder. So when you want to take a break, you can just put your spoon in it and enjoy. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the ice cream cozy, I'm going to use Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice in Colonial Blue, and I'm using a G plus or 4.5 millimeter hook. Start with the magic ring, chain 1 and add 7 single crochets to the ring. Close the ring and add a stitch marker. Now you're going to crochet 2 single crochets per stitch all the way around. In the next round, move up your stitch marker and then crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 single crochets, so therefore an increase in the next stitch. Now repeat that pattern all the way until the end of the round. Move up your stitch marker and crochet 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then 2 single crochets in the following. Now repeat that until the end of the round. Let's crochet 1 more row of increases. Move up your stitch marker and crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch, second and third stitch. And in the fourth one, you're going to crochet a increase. So 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now repeat that until the end of the round. Now take out your hook and crochet an invisible slip stitch. So I pull my loop back from the front to the back. Now we're going to crochet into the third loop for 1 round only. So turn your work slightly and look at your piece. So you have here front loop, back loop, and right behind here is another loop. That's the third loop behind the V. So you can literally grab your hook and make it a little bit larger so that you can insert your hook into it, like so, and crochet a single crochet right onto it. If you can't push your hook into it, use the hook of your hook and make that loop a little bit bigger so you can insert your hook. You can also turn it slightly and do it like this, where you can push your hook into it and then turn. Now do that for 1 round and then finish it up with a slip stitch. Now we're going to continue crocheting in continuous rounds. So you're going to crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch and a double crochet in the following. And now you're going to repeat that. So 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. You're going to crochet that for 10 rounds. However, if you want to add 2 holes here so you can add a spoon into it, you can do that. I did this after 5 rounds. In the 6th round, wherever I wanted it to be, I made a chain of 3 and skipped 3 stitches, then continued on, and in the following round I added the stitches again into the chain. So this, in my case, it was a single crochet, a double crochet, and a single crochet. Then the following round I did the same again, where I skipped 3 stitches and chained 3, and then in the following round I added the stitches back. So single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. So you can do that as well if you like to do that, and that way you can add your spoon right into it like this. But every ice cream cozy also needs a good handle. So let's crochet 4, then 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the following, and a single crochet in the next one. That's 3 stitches per row. Now turn and do the exact opposite. So starting with a double crochet, which I like to do as an alternative turning chain, then a single crochet in the following, and finish it up with a double crochet. Now repeat these 2 rows until you have the length that you desire. I did about 15 rows for that. And now we just need to sew our handle to our cozy. So obviously I'm not going to make it where my little opening is. So I have to do it on a different spot. I'll probably just do it on the opposite side. So which would be right here. So however you want to sew on your handle is up to you. I'm just going to sew it on back and forth like this. And now you're done. And you can add your ice cream into it. I'm leaving the lid on right now because this one is empty. But you can also now add your spoon into it like this. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number one is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number two is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number three is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number four is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos. And the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.